So what are we doing today? You know how you guys have that one spot or blemish on your car? You go to a car meet, you're just hoping that no one notices it, but then some guy walks up and just points it out. So we're gonna try to get all of those little spots on our cars fixed. It's kind of like your car having cellulite. You know that cottage cheese stuff? Yeah, anyways, that stuff. Can't put that in there, dude. Why? It's terrible. It's terrible? Our cars have cellulite. That's what's going on here. Oh, man, dude. I told Laura that yesterday. She's like, you think they can fix my legs? Hey.
Charge per dent.
Sounds good. So show us your cellulite on your car.
Don't go too deep.
Right there. Points out.
Everybody points that out. Yeah. They walk up and they go, what happened there?
We got Caleb over here. He's got his RTR Mustang. Caleb, you want to show him?
Kind of goes in with the body line, so it's not too noticeable, but...
Yeah, and being that your car is black, you really don't notice it as much. Well, somebody backed into him, but the good thing is they didn't scratch or mess up the paint. So then we've got Sam over here.
It's an odd one. It's right there. So, it's got a dip right there.
Now we're waiting for the dent guys to get here. So I've got one on the GT500 that has actually been on the car ever since I've had it. It was on the car before the previous owner had it. When Sean got the car, it only had 1,800 miles, and when he got the car already had this on there because I remember him pointing it out to me. Yeah, this video is also filmed the same day that my mom's reveal is. Just sometimes things line up that way. But the Cobra, this thing is full of cellulite. It's really bad. It's creased.
That's a good one right there. I can see that from here.
Yeah.
We've got one right here by the headlight.
That's
and we've got one right there by the hood.
Right here.
And then we've got one right there on the door. Sam's like, I thought you're supposed to be removing them.
Well, that's what I told my son. I said, he's going to be hitting him with a hammer. This rally goes, okay.
Yeah, sometimes I tell people it's kind of like watching sausage be made. You know what I mean? It gets worse before it gets better.
Yeah.
Sometimes you're like, I don't really want to see how it's made, but I do like how it tastes.
You happy? That's Sam. He's done. He actually had a couple extra dents on his car that they noticed that we didn't even notice, but they're all fixed now. Where's my flowers? Oh,
You have a party. You got a party. She gets her.
I got a party. Yeah, because the Cobra has one right here. Then I've got one right here.
Yeah, we see it. I see it.
And then up here, and then on the door right here. And I think that's it.
Okay.
So it's
That's fine. Yeah, let's do that dark gray one. Let's do the silver one next. So we mark the damage, we look at it under our lights, right? But then there's a number of factors. Is it aluminum? Is it high strength steel? Is it behind a crash intrusion bar? Is there sound deadening material? There's all those different factors that go into the cost. And that's, again, that's the exotic guide and that's the regular guide. For some reason, if you know, a customer decides to go through insurance, they have all the documents.
This is the exotic
That's
guide?
the exotic and this is the regular. Get this stuff in the shop because we'll have a controlled temperature in the shop, and then we'll also have controlled lighting.
That makes me nervous. You can't even tell it was even there now. Thanks for coming. Glad you got your dents out. Yeah, it's the dent party.
I know, right?
So,
Dent party.
You happy with how it turned out?
Oh, it's fantastic.
That was crazy how they found more dents in your car that we didn't even notice.
I know, right? Like I knew there were more, but I just couldn't.
Yeah. Take care, man. Oh man, what's up, Will? Brought the mock out.
Yeah.
So you got. So does she got a little bit of cellulite on her?
Just a little bit.
Just a little bit. Where's she got it? Oh, yeah. I kind of. Yeah. Oh yeah.
Yeah, somebody got me while my car was parked at work.
I think he's got the worst dent out of everybody. I got one over here on the, tell me how it would be possible to fix this one on this truck. Yeah, could you fix this one?
Yeah, we can.
Blue
We
pool
can take it right to the body shop.
Yeah.
Almost done.
Yeah.
And if, like I said, if you want, we can back this thing up.
So the dent in the door is gone. Oh wow.
That was just an improvement. It's hard with the paint missing. That always makes it tricky.
Yeah.
Because we can't see when the paint's missing.
That's crazy.
So,
and then you guys got this, dude. Wow.
In this area right here, I'm gonna work on this. I'm gonna work on this. I don't know if you caught that.
What do you think of that?
That's awesome.
Tom, you a happy man, aren't you? Look at that. That dent that was right in there.
That was killer right there.
You're good to go now.
I am. I'm ready.
And they found other dents on your car that you didn't notice, right?
I found 1, 2, 3, 4 more dents that they're fixing right now that I didn't notice.
Tom, like, look away. That's probably the most nerve-wracking part is the hammer hitting the car. Oh yeah, you can really see it with the light on there.
I'm trying to stay above where the load.
So Tim, you were saying this is normally something you would want to do in your shop, remove the door?
Yeah. Normally, with something like this, we want to take the door off. That way we can get better access, and we have hundreds of tools there. We can get better leverage. You know, everything all the way around. There's no reason why this thing shouldn't look like factory when it was done.
Yeah.
So we'll see. You know, I'm sure we can do a pretty significant improvement here. So let's see what happens. I'm gonna have to film the part 2.
Will is gonna have to take it to the shop because what they want to do is take the door off the car, take the panel and everything out. You need to stop pissing off them women.
Huh? What are you talking about, sir?
What do you think of the garage heat?
I'm mad at you for not getting this last year when we made the garage.
Right.
It was so cold.
It was. Really?
Yeah, I made it for me and Sarah for sure.
Look at this. We are filling up our wall with all these license plates. Thank you guys, every one of you guys that have sent us in a tag. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it, but it's just awesome. So let me get to wrapping up this video. Those dent guys were pretty much here all day long. It was crazy. And let me just say, the work that those guys do is amazing. It's like they're working magic on your car. It's crazy to just watch a dent on your car, especially on the GT500 that the dent has been there for such a long time. Oh, you're rolling out? Yeah. That was dark for hours. Interrupting the video, come on, we're trying to vlog. They're hood pins. People put those on their race cars to keep the hood from flying up when they go super fast. But these ones are fake. They don't really work.
Why?
Because somebody put them on there. They did. Huh?
Okay.
I don't know. Maybe somebody that owned this car before we did. Should we take them off?
Yeah.
Okay, I agree with you, bud. Or change them and put some real ones on. Or some cooler ones, right?
They'd be the same.
No, that'd be different. You remember when the Dent guys were here? That's dark for hours, starting his car up.
Why did you not put tires? Oh.
On what?
The logo.
I don't know, bud. Let me get to wrapping up this video. The Dent guys were pretty much here all day long, knocking out dents. They didn't get around to Caleb's car because his car was gonna be a little bit more involved and they wanted him to come back to the shop, so Caleb actually went back to the shop. They pulled off his front bumper and everything and they got his fixed.
Did the bumper come off?
Yeah, it can come off. Well, that didn't work, bud. We gotta wrap this video up. We gotta wrap it up, okay?
Why?
We got to.
I didn't want more.
You wanna vlog more?
Yeah.
Well, tell me what you wanna vlog. What do you wanna tell everybody?
I want to vlog inside.
Inside?
Yeah.
It's super noisy inside, bud.
Why?
Because Liam was making all kinds of noise, blowing that whistle. That's why I came out here. Yeah, I originally tried to wrap the video up inside, but it was way, way too noisy. Okay, bud. I have kids, and that's what they do.
Yes.
Yeah, that's how noisy it was. You couldn't hear anything that I was saying. I started editing this. I was like, you know what? I'm gonna go out in the garage. Little man wanted to come too.
I missed the part that was in the board.
Okay, we'll watch it when we get it on the editor, and then you can check it out, and then you won't miss it. I'll show you it, okay?
Okay.
All right. He was here, but he thinks he missed it. You didn't miss it.
It's what?
You're tired, but he's really tired. So we're gonna go ahead and wrap this video up. Definitely check out the Dent Shop. Follow them on Instagram. If you guys are looking for anything that you may need repaired, I highly recommend them. I will link all their information in the description below. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.